What is going on, guys? Blazing Tech. Today we're going to be taking an adventure into somewhat of old tech, and that's kind of hard for me to say because I remember buying these new. But without any further ado, let's get into the retro unboxing of the original Beats Studio 1s. So, as some of you guys can see, these are not the original Beats Studios. The original Beats Studios by Dr. Dre would have featured Monster, but these are after the split between Beats and Monster. So, you can see here that my Beats Studios do not have any affiliation with Monster at all. The original ones had the Monster logo right here. So, you can see, here you go. The box is very, it's really nice and it feels really good and it's stood the test of time. I've kept the box. You guys can see that it comes standard with a carrying case, another stereo plug to adapt to older, I know that there's a size for that, but I don't know the size, but older stereo plugs. You get two 3.5mm headphone cables, and then you do have to run these guys on AAAs. So here you go. Let's read this a little bit. I don't know if you guys can see that. This was the Beats propaganda back in the day. The music you hear on your headphones should sound as great as it did when the artist recorded it, which alludes to the fact that Beats are the recording headphones and they are amazing. But normal headphones cannot fully deliver the rich, full sound of today's digital audio tracks. Beats Studio headphones are precision engineered to reveal the full sonic range of your music. Big, powerful speakers with proprietary driver technology deliver all the clarity and super deep bass that today's artists and producers want you to hear. Spacious ear cups with breathable cushions provide extra room for increased comfort. Studio headphones feature noise blocking technology, so all you hear is your music. And yeah, here you go. You just got Dr. Dre right here. So when these headphones came out, I remember that they were the coolest headphones that you could get on the market. And these came out when I was in 7th grade, so I had to get a pair of these. And I graduated 8th grade. It's kind of funny to say that I graduated 8th grade. And here you just got a very standard red box right here. So I graduated 8th grade, and this was my quote-unquote graduation present. And I used the snot out of these. And these were, like I said, guys, these were the coolest headphones on the market, and they still are. I don't think that they have the prowess that they do when they were new, but they are definitely still the headphones to have in terms of, icons and celebrities. They are still very heavily endorsed. So you can see here, you get some nice accessories right here, and here's that little adapter that I was telling you about. You can plug this into a stereo, a original stereo, a home stereo, so you plug that in and then you're able to plug in your Beats Studio or any 3.5mm headphone into a stereo or anything that has this size. You did come with this right here, which is just a standard headphone plug, headphone cable, I guess you can say. I do have in the bag the Control Talk version of this. It's a little hard to do with the camera. I have all the original manuals. Oh, wow. I know I took the stickers out of here, but you can see that you get a Beats cleaning cloth that has never been used. And you also get the original manuals, and you can see how... there's my receipt in there, too. Let's see how much these guys costed new. So this is kind of, I guess you can see how I take care of my technology. So here we have the original catalog, I guess you could say. The user guide right here. Very self-explanatory in my opinion. You've got, I guess, a Beats by Dr. Dre card. Warranty information, and the warranty process is really good. I had looked into warrantying my headphones, and they were going to only charge me shipping to replace my Beats with a refurbished pair, which is honestly really cool of them. And then here is the guide. Here you go. You've got sound is power. Every beat, every breath. Very nice. Dr. Dre himself. Here's some more propaganda for other Beats products. You know, I think these were called... Ooh, I do not remember what these ones are called. The mixers or something like that. These are the studios, obviously. What I've got. The studio, these were all the different colors that they had at the time of me buying these. The Beats Wireless. This was before wireless headphones were really big. You got... Oh, okay, these are the mixers. These are these tiny little ones. The Solo HDs, the Beats Tours, which were very cool. The Power Beats with Mr. LeBron James, NBA legend, of course. Heart Beats, and God, I'm pretty sure this is Lady Gaga. Pretty sure. Your Beats, which were replaced the iBeats. The Beatbox. Oh man, look at that. That is an iPhone 4. Awesome. Beatbox Portable, and then here, yeah, just some cool things, I guess you can say, right here. And they did come standard with Beats stickers, one big red Beats sticker, and I'm positive I put that on my car. So here is the original receipt. Let's see how much they costed. So you can see, guys, that these were $2.99, brand new. I have an uncle that works at Walmart, so he actually got them for me. Yep, so they were $2.99, brand new. That is amazing. That is incredible. $300 for these headphones. So here is the carrying case for my Beats Studios. They did come with a keychain, not a keychain, but one of those little things, I don't know, a carabiner, yeah, that's what it's called, a carabiner that came up here, but I have unfortunately broken that, but the case itself is in excellent condition. Open it up right here. Boom, let's keep these guys to the side. You have got the control talk wire right here, which is detachable, which is good in case you go ahead and you rip this guy or something. You can see that you've got an L-shaped jack right here, and then the regular standard jack right here. So this goes into your phone and this goes into your headphones. And then you've got the control talk, which works perfectly. The case also came with, which was kind of cool, an accessory net inside of the case, and you can go ahead and take that out. And this case is really solid. This is a very solid case, but this accessory net was really cool because, like I always do, I carry 2 extra batteries for my noise canceling feature in my headphones themselves. So I slide this in there, and I slide the headphone cable in there. So let's move these off to the side, and let's take a look at what we're all here for, the original Beats Studios. Now, they are a collapsible design right here, and something that the Beats Studios offered for their time, which was incredible, was comfort. You can see that these cushions are extremely cushiony, and honestly, these headphones have stood the test of time, and I've taken care of them. I have definitely used them too, and they're honestly incredible. They're in great shape. You know, Beats by Dr. Dre up here. They are very, very heavy, and they're weighted. And heft, in terms of headphones, relays back to quality within the consumer, so they did a great job there. What I like about these headphones is that the headband clip is very notchy, so you know which click you're going to be on both headphones. And the fact that they rock like this just delivers excellent comfort to either you or, you know, your neighbor or your friend or your sister or your brother that's going to borrow your headphones. It's a very great design that they put into place there, and then there's just so much cushion, and these were honestly very comfortable headphones, and honestly they worked really well. The noise canceling, on the other hand, it was great for headphones of this quality and who and what they were marketing these headphones for. These were for the average listener, and honestly, for the average listener like me at the time, these headphones delivered excellent sound quality. There was nothing, I hadn't heard anything like it before. The bass was just so rich, and obviously now that I'm a little bit older, I know what really good headphones sound like too, and the $300 price tag is definitely a lot for the quality of these headphones. But let's be honest, when you're buying Beats by Dre, you're buying really a fashion accessory. You're buying into a brand, an iconic brand, this Beats logo right here. You're just buying into that, and that's what you did. Like when I took these to school and I had these around my neck, that was really a fashion statement, and I'm sure a lot of you guys can attest to that. And even today, if you purchased a pair of Beats, you're gonna get a lot of looks down the street, and there's gonna be a lot of people that are gonna be like, honestly, this guy's legit. Nowadays, these are just wireless, so it would be just this, and the carrying of this would be really cool. You can collapse it right here. By today's standards, these headphones still sound really good, but for the price that you can have these for, you can get some really, really good wireless headphones, and that's where I'd say the Beats Studio 1s just don't have as much prowess as they did before, because now you've got this cable. And I mean, the new iPhones, iPhone 7, iPhone 8, and for the foreseeable future, we're not going to get a headphone jack back in an iPhone. And I wouldn't be surprised if Android phones would slowly phase out this old technology. So, like I said this in my iPod Classic video, the headphone jack and the headphone cable are going by the wayside, and unfortunately that's the only thing holding these Beats back. But this isn't a review, this is a adventure into retro tech. So anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like this style of video, let me know. I can definitely continue to do stuff like this. Coming shortly, I'm going to be doing a video about this guy right here. I'll go ahead and show you. I'm in the midst of turning my very first netbook into a Chromebook, and it's not going too smooth right now. If it works out, I'll definitely drop a video about it, but in the meantime, guys, hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you like it, leave me a comment. If you don't, leave me a comment why, and hopefully I'll see you guys soon. Thanks for watching, guys. Blazing Tech. We'll catch you on the next one.